Hey Edward, how's it going? I thought I'd share with you how to update the data. It's fairly simple. So all you have to do is this file that you provided me was view only. So what I did was just downloaded it in Microsoft Excel, and this is the file conversation.xlsm. I've copied it over to this folder, and this is the other file I created and I have shared with you. The thing is, you have to keep both of these files in the same folder, and their names should be same. So let me just show you how to update the data. This is the file that you have about the spreadsheet. Now suppose you have to add a new column over here. So let me just do an insert over here, and let's copy this date over here and say the date today is 24 October, and let's give it a sample value of 5 and fill this column all the way to the down like this. And now I'm hitting Ctrl S to save the file. Now I will go to this conversation trend report file, and alright, just give it a second to load. You see over here this is 21 October. Go to the data tab and just click over refresh all. Let me see. Yep, 24 October. It works just like that. It has updated for all these values over here. Right, this is 24 October all the way down to 21. So let me see if this table is updated. You have to click on refresh all. 24 October is over here, and for this one is also automatically updated. So you don't need to do anything in this file I'm sharing with you. You can just view it for the purpose of chart. I can make these charts more accessible to you if we are going to work on this project further the way you would like. I would make those charts accessible, and yeah, that's it. You don't need to worry about any technicalities of this folder. You just continue to work in your original file like you have always done. Just go ahead and add a new column over here or a new row over here, and things will work perfectly fine. And yeah, I think that's about it. The rest I will just share with you in a message.